What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is January 24th, and today, guys, we are going to go over my week 4 of my 15% or at least $15,000 52-week challenge. So today, guys, we're going to go over all the moves that I made. There are definitely a couple of changes that happened. I was forced to sell a stock, and there are a couple of stocks that I am interested in buying. So let's get started. As you can see, guys, on Friday I was down $411, up $41 after hours. For the week I am up $1,083, 2.07%, and we'll check the month. I'm up $1,297, 2.49%. So this has been almost a full month. I'm a few days off, but we will check out all the option trades that I did and the stock that I was forced to sell. So let's check that out. So if we do look at all the option trades that I have done here, at&t, I just did a short option trade on the 19th that expired on the 22nd. at&t was trading a little down, so I was only able to get about $20 profit in premium. Microsoft, I'll go over that in a sec, with Apple as well. But Jets, I did make $32 off of. Norwegian Cruise Line, I did get 20. Marathon Oil, I did get 25. And Rockets, I did actually buy that back for $1, but I did get $9 in premium for that. So with Apple, first of all, I did get a $22 premium. Of course, Apple did shoot up a pretty good amount. I did not feel that I should buy it back or extend the option farther, so I did let that expire. I did make a little bit of profit off of it and made a little bit of premium. With Microsoft, it was almost the same type of situation, but I did decide to buy that back at a premium of $220. I originally got it for about 45 bucks, but I was able to extend the strike price at $7.50 farther than that, but the expiration date is on the 29th. So to be honest with you, I may be in the same boat with Microsoft than Apple. I do plan on getting a little bit more into dividend stocks. So I also did actually sell Rocket at a profit. So if we do look at the spreadsheet here, I did sell Rocket, and I do not have Apple anymore. So I do plan on purchasing some other dividend stocks, since Apple and Rocket was really not a big dividend stock. I did let them go. So with Microsoft, I did kind of want to keep that, but seeing how the stock is going up pretty good, I do have a $227 strike price. If it does happen to go past that, I probably will just let that sell and collect that good premium, and then purchase probably one of the stocks I currently have, either Realty Income, at&t. The new stock that I have is Enterprise Products. I will do a video on this, and I do plan on buying one or possibly two more dividend stocks, and I will do a full video on those stocks as well. So if we do look here on the stock side, I did have a pretty good increase from what happened last week. So at at&t, I was up $382. at&t did trade a little bit farther down at $242. Realty Income, I was down at $928, so now I'm down $550. Realty Income, and with Microsoft, I was all the way down at $980, and Microsoft has taken off pretty well, at a profit so far at $450. Apple was the same thing. I was down $494. I ended up having to sell, but I still ended up making a profit of $124. The Jets ETF here, I'm down $20, not too much of a difference. Rocket, I did end up making a profit and also making some good premium, but like I said, I did sell that and end up buying Enterprise Products. Norwegian has been pretty steady with me. I'm up $23. Marathon Oil, I was down a little bit, but still up a pretty good amount for the amount of money I have in this stock. So total amount that I have just invested in the stock side, I am in the positive at $871. Now if we look at the option and dividend side, not great week, but I did have to sell a lot of options later in the week. So I made 20 off of at&t, 22 off of Apple, 32 off of Jets. Rocket I made 9, 20 off Norwegian, 25 off Marathon. So total I did make 128 bucks. So that's better than nothing. But overall, the option trades and dividends, I'm up just for the 1 month. I'm up $1,284, and this is not adding in the stock side. The stock side is just completely separate. This is my main goal here by the end of the year, to get at least $15,000 or 15% of my total portfolio, including margins. And talking about margins, I did have a question about margins. So I do pay monthly margin. I pay the $5 fee for the gold, and for carrying about $56,000 in margins, this is the monthly payment that I do for holding that much margins. That number could definitely go up. If my stock goes up, I will be borrowing more margins. So right now, the first month that went by of my trading right here is 131 bucks. So that's not a bad amount to borrow $56,000 for a month to get $131 charge. So if we also look here, just in options and the stock, we add it together, it's about 2,100 bucks. And half of that is in margins. So if we take $1,000 or $1,050, it's definitely a good investment to have, just paying $131 for this month. So like I said, guys, next week I am going to do a couple changes. I possibly may get rid of Norwegian Cruise Line. If you guys have been paying attention to the cruise lines lately, they have been pushing back the dates. They may actually take a hit, and then I do expect them to go back up once they actually start sailing as well. And like I said, with Microsoft, depending on how that stock goes, if it does go past the $227.50 strike price, I will probably just let it go, and I will actually purchase more of a dividend type stock. So I will be getting more monthly or quarterly payments just from that, and not worrying about the actual stock of going up or down dramatically here. But I do plan on keeping Marathon Oil, the Jets ETF, everything they have on there. Like I said, I added enterprise products, and I do plan on having possibly 2 more stocks to add with a very high dividend, and a stock that I think will go up. So that'll be all for today, guys. Like I said, on Monday I will probably drop a video if I do purchase these stocks that day, or at least by Wednesday I'll do a video on the 2 stocks or 3 stocks that I add on there, and also giving you details on why I purchased them, and update the long-term dividend option strategy here. So thank you, guys. Please, if you like the video, hit the subscribe, hit the like, and don't forget to comment below to let me know what's going on with you guys. Have a good day.